So these days the main things I do are nature journaling and wildlife illustration. I believe that anyone can write and anyone can draw. It's a skill you can learn like any other. You can do nature journaling in a very rational, scientific, objective way, and you use it to record species, maybe weather conditions, but you can also do it in a very artistic way where you might be just more interested in colour, shapes, forms, the aesthetics of the place. So you can use it to express your thoughts, your feelings, as a memoir, that sort of thing. When you're drawing something, it can become almost like a meditative or a mindfulness activity because you have to really look at something closely to draw it. And if you do it properly and you concentrate on it, you get absorbed into the drawing and you forget about other things. You know, you forget about your daily worries, and in that way it becomes very mindful.